CAME? CAME stands for Comprehensive Assessment on Mental Health and Education. CAME is powered by Education Board of Vocational Training and Development. Education Board of Vocational Training and Development is an educational trust under the Act 1920, with the valid registration. Is the teacher aware about the capabilities of each student? Let's look into a case study of Ron. Ron is a small boy of 4. He can talk fluently. He is very good in reading. He can read the 4 letters word smoothly and is able to read small sentences clearly. The teachers get surprised when they observe he is 1. Struggling to count. 2. Connect a number to an object. 3. Failing to recognize the simple pattern like smallest to largest or tallest to shortest. Are these the early signs of dyscalculia? Let's look into another case study. Rohan cannot sit in one place for more than 2 minutes, but he is exceptionally good in critical thinking. Does the class teacher aware about the fact that the child is twice exceptional? Commonly identified learning problems. 1. Dyscalculia. As we know that math is governed by many rules that must be followed to be successful, children with dyscalculia often have difficulty learning and remembering these rules. 2. Auditory processing disorder. Children with auditory processing deficits can hear sounds but cannot recognize them for meaning. 3. Visual processing disorder. Visual processing disorder refers to a hindered ability to make sense of information taken in through the eyes. This is different for problems involving sight or sharpness of vision. Other learning problems are ADHD, autism, dyslexia, and many more. Twice exceptional and gifted with learning disabilities. Scientists like Albert Einstein, Sir Isaac Newton, Thomas Alva Edison, and Louis Pasteur have defied expectations by being both gifted with learning disabilities and exceptionally talented in their fields. Despite facing challenges, they have made monumental contributions to science, proving that neurodiversity can be a catalyst for greatness. Albert Einstein, despite struggling with dyslexia and language learning difficulties as a child, revolutionized our understanding of the universe through his theory of relativity. Sir Isaac Newton, believed to have had traits consistent with autism spectrum disorder, made groundbreaking discoveries in physics and mathematics, including the laws of motion and universal gravitation. Thomas Alva Edison, with hearing loss and learning difficulties, overcame educational obstacles to become a prolific inventor, creating inventions like the electric light bulb and the phonograph. Louis Pasteur, despite dyslexia affecting his reading and writing skills, pioneered advancements in microbiology and immunology, revolutionizing medicine. These scientists demonstrate that intelligence and academic success are not limited to traditional standards. Their ability to think differently, persevere, and leverage their unique strengths has allowed them to shape the world with their remarkable contributions. Their stories inspire us to embrace neurodiversity and recognize the potential of individuals who are twice exceptional and gifted with learning disabilities. Hence, CAME is introduced as an initiative by Education Board of Vocational Training and Development. As per the National Education Policy 2020, more focus was added in equitable and inclusive education, which will provide 1. Equal opportunities to children with special needs. 2. Separate strategies for focused attention on reducing the social category gaps in special education. What is CAME assessment? CAME assessment can be mainly divided into 3 major steps. 1. Identification. 2. Assessment. 3. Evaluation. CAME can be subdivided into CAME Kids, for Class 1 to 2. CAME Junior, for Class 3 to 5. CAME Senior, for Class 6 to 8. CAME Career, for Class 9 to 12. CAME Process. CAME Process has 5 stages. Stage 1, Assessment. Stage 2, Report Analysis. Stage 3, Training or Workshop. Stage 4, Online Support. Stage 5, Raise. Workshop Topics. 1. Understanding different learning styles. 2. Identifying the strength and weakness of the child through assessment. 3. Gifted and learning disabled, students caught in a web of misunderstanding. 4. Parents and educators as a partner. 5. Requirement of IEP and IFSP. 6. Types of developmental delays in children. 7. Types of specific learning disability, introduction. 8. Specialized workshop as the requirement. 9. Remedial teaching. 10. ICT and special education.